Uma ngabe usanda kungena ngiyakwamukela ohlelweni The Mid Morning Avenue intokazi yakwaMalindi umimizana omnyamazana ngena lapha yana enkundleni zethu zokuxhumana wothi Tata FM 100.6 invite your friends to like and share and also ukuthi nabo bahambe bayongena lapha yana on our YouTube channel and just check the Tata TV ubone nje izinto ezenzakalayo. If you missed it you will certainly get a chance yokuthi uyibone ngapho on our YouTube channel. And shout out to our camera crew benza umsebenzi oncomekayo. Shout out to Pule, shout out to Abdi Zakes, shout out to Tuli, shout out to Ahang abantu abenza umsebenzi oncomekayo ngendlela eyisimanga wena mlaleli womsakazo lapho ekhaya. Namhlanje nje ngivuka ngikhumbule abantu esengasebezwa emsakazweni. I just wonder what is happening. Hot and spicy, my queen, where are you? Hakisawuthwa mani ngwana mani. Hayi mana kungithumelela message lapho mani ngizwe ukuthi usasekhona alright ngaso sonke isikhathi. Charles Malema nawe angisakuzwa emsakazweni. Tamila Kamanika Miller's Corner Cafe nawe angisakuzwa emsakazweni. Where are you guys? What happened? We normally ask when we can't hear we don't hear some of our listeners who are regulars la emsakazweni and we just wonder ukuthi ingabe bakuphi. 26 minutes past the hour 9. Ungakhohlwa uLesibili namhlanje but Auskinse Mangwenyane is not going to be in kulolu suku lethu namhlanje. As you know ukuthi ama NGOs maningi ngendlela eyisimanga lana la around Eval, Orange Farms in the Free State. So today sizobe sikhulumisana njalo no Amanda and uphuma ngale ngase sikhasile community programs and projects. Sizozwa ke ukuthi ngabe bona basebenza ngani. Sizokwazi nokuthi nawe njengomlaleli lapho ekhaya uma ngabe ufuna uncedo lwabo ingabe yini ekumele uyenze. But beyond all of that sizongena lapha sithole i-coffee break yethu yosuku 0630737540. Ngiyabona your messages are here. Ngizokuthi ubani olalele umsakazo kulolu suku lethu namhlanje. Ekhaya ibe mnandi njengoba bengicabanga ukuthi izoba mnandi ngakhona for you and yours wherever it is that you could be tuning in from. And ligamanxeke ihora lethu leshumi wena uma ngabe usanda kungena, welcome to the award winning Mid Morning Avenue. Usahlezi nentokazi yakwaMalindi umimizana omnyamazana. Oh, taking you down memory lane. 3 songs engicabanga ukuthi wena njengomlaleli lapho ekhaya, especially our taxi drivers. Ooh, I know that you guys love these type of songs. I played you absolutely beautiful ones. Ngiyathemba ukuthi ujabule njengoba nami ngijabulile. Played you music of Trezor ehambisana noMsaki Betty Sondela. Also played you a music of Java with Ngempela, and I also played you Zola and Unathi Sanalwam, taking it from the soundtrack Yekazlami. Ooh, what a jam-packed album that was. Ibi Nabo Mapaputsi, Your Bravos. Ishmael was also there, Pitch Black Afro was there, and it was absolutely beautiful indeed. But ke wena njengomlaleli womsakazo ohamba phambili lapho ekhaya, uma ngabe usanda kungena noma ke ekhana ufinyelele kwakho umsakazo, ngiyakwamukela ohlelweni. And we are going to play this song, whichever song that you think you absolutely liked namhlanje. 0630737540. Usuyo shoge wena ukuthi eyiphi ingoma ethe yenza usuku lwakho lube mnandi namhlanje, so that I can play it for you once again. If you like it and you like it that much, all that you have to do is to vote for your favorite track nakanjani. I'm certainly going to be playing it for you. Played you music of Trezor and Msaki Betty Sondela. And that was, of course, song number 1. And I also played you a beautiful, beautiful Java song. Engaziyo ukuthi it's one of those sing-alongs. Umlaleli lapho ekhaya uyayithanda nakanjani. 0630737540. Song number 2, Java Ngempela. And then ukuthi sivale udaba lwethu kulolu suku lwethu namhlanje. I played you the soundtrack to Gazlam, and I played you Zola and Unathi with Sanolam. Ngiyazi ukuthi bakhona abayithandayo namhlanje. 063 073 7540. Which song made your day? The song number 3. Hey, aish. Hey. Hey. Zambe kanjalo ke khetha enze usuku lakho libe mnandi. If it tickled your fancy, we're going to be playing it twice.
You are traveling with us.
4-0. Song number 1, song number 2, or song number 3?
That is song number 2. Number 3. Song number 3 for me. Song number 3. Mama Kitty comes me. Song 3. I dedicated it for Ladini. Birthday girl, Ladisto.
Aw, the one and only Zola 7, no Unathi. Song number 3, Tango. Song number 2, song number 3, song number 3.
Hey. Oh, it is a fabulous Tuesday. Ngiyathemba ukuthi nawe njengomlaleli lapho ekhaya, you certainly going to enjoy it. It's so nice that we have to play it twice. Zola, Unathi, Sanalwam. With Sanalwam. Kodwa ke isikhathi sakho siyavuma sihambe siye ngaseyitolo, masibuya ngaseyitolo sinendwendwe yethu yosuku lwethu lonamhlanje. Unganyakazi. Wena mlaleli womsakazo lapha ekhaya, you can remember a little bit earlier on bekumele ngabe siye sakhulumisana njalo no sis Amanda Badi, but siye saba nenkinganyana, and uphuma from an organization ebizwa ngokuthi iSikhasile Community Programs and Projects. Wena lapho ekhaya, you know na kanjani sikhiphe umlayezo sathi wonke ama NGOs akhona, siyacela nje siyabancenga ukuthi beze sizokwazi ukuthi sisebenze ndawonye nabo. Sis Amanda, good morning, ngiyakwamukela ohlelweni the Mid Morning Avenue.
Enkosi kakhulu sisi.
Enkosi.
And thank you for having me.
Oh yes indeed. Ungabingelela nomlaleli ekhaya.
Ndiyabulisa nakwabantu bonke abasekhayeni abamameleyo namhlanje apha kuThetha FM.
All right. Kawutsho ke sis Amanda, i-organization yenu ungasixelela ntoni ngayo?
Okay. Mna Amanda Badi, social worker yaseSikhasile Community Programs and Projects. I-organization yethu ise-Everton. Ngase-Everton pha ukho kwa Lucky stop sign pha ngase fire station, or approach nje la stop sign singena kwa Lucky, you turn on your left hand side, and then your first short right ugena ngaso, and then your first short right on your left hand side ukho indlu apha ekoneni, which is the organization yethu is based there. So apha namhlanje ndizenje ndizonikisa nge-services zethu that we provide kwi-community yethu yonke.
All right. Kasingene ke kuzo i-services that you guys provide for the communities zethu.
Okay, the services that we provide for iSikhasile is that we provide counseling services, support for victims of gender-based violence. Siyazenza ne-referral letters to other stakeholders such as amapoliseni, if there's a case that needs a police station, and then we also do awareness campaigns to the community at large, and siyazenza ne-group work, support groups, whereby sifuna abantu to come share the experiences zabo so that they're able to heal together. And ndicela futhi ukongeza by organization yethu, it's opened from Mondays to Fridays, at 8 a.m. until 4 p.m. And then Fridays siphuma u2 o'clock.
Okay.
And then services zethu are free of charge. No one is charged when you come to our services. And then the organization yethu, kulapho we want to support individuals and families who are going through difficult times or situations such as the abuse, your gender-based violence, your traumas, and social challenges that they encounter ebomini babo. And then i-goal yethu as isikhasile sifuna nje to empower and support the community so that they are able to access uncedo and improve impilo zabo.
Okay.
Enkosi.
Cha liyavakala ikiwa but ke ngubani ongeza
Okay.
apho kwasikhasile?
Okay. Anyone can come to the organization. Any community member on challenges as abuse, family problems, trauma, your emotional difficulties can come to the organization. The services zethu are open for amadoda, abafazi, abantwana, and their families.
Okay.
So that siyakwazi usupport wonke umuntu.
All right. So if umuntu is experiencing abuse okanye violence, what can the person do?
Okay, eyona nto ebalulekileyo is that umuntu famba azocela uncedo and not stay silent. They can report a matter to a police station okanye bathethe nonontlalontle, social workers, or they can go to the nearest organizations ezikhoyo ecankwabo to report the matter so that they can receive a counseling guidance for the next step to where to go. Yes.
Ibalulekile nyani. Why is it important uba abantu bathethe nge-gender based violence?
Kubaluleke kakhulu uthetha nge-gender based violence because abantu abaninzi they suffer in silence. By talking gender based violence isinika it's raising awareness about it so that abantu understand that abuse is not acceptable and that support services zikhona, NGOs zikhona all around communities.
Bayaza phofu
Abantu bayangena bona, but sifuna abantu abaninzi because apho ndisebenza khona eVadon there are many cases of gender based violence. So abantu abaninzi do not really want to come to the offices for assistance. So siyacela bazi ngobuninzi babo sokwazi uncedisana silwe lento gender based violence.
Yeah, especially because of landawo nikuyo. There's a lot of alcohol abuse, or there's drugs, there's gun violence, there's gangsterism. Who needs?
Yes, zonke izinto sifumana apha eVadon.
Sure.
So sikhona.
All right. Khawusho ke umlayezo wakho or maybe kuma victims wethu abasabayo, because most of the time uzawufumanisa ukuba abantu bayasaba.
Oh, okay. I-message enayo is that kubo bonke abantu aba-experience i-abuse abekho bodwa and bayazi loo nto uba whatever that is happening kubo is not their fault and it was never their fault. They should not blame themselves. And kukho abantu bangathetha nabo or go to organizations or your social development to go report okanye ube ready wothetha ngengxaki zabo. We are there for such people as an organization. So speaking out is the first step towards getting help and support and protecting yourself.
Yeah.
Yes.
And then abantwana most of the time abantwana abancinci nabo bayasaba uthola ukuba they are threatened ukuba sizokubulala if ungaxelela umama okanye sizawubulala yena umama. Abantwana abancinci bona nidila kanjani ne situations zabo?
Okay, this is njengoba thina si-victim empowerment program.
Yeah.
We mainly focus on abantu from 18 above.
Upwards, yeah.
Yes, but if umntana uzile ofisini ezotsho bakwenzeka ntoni na, siyayenza intake, senze assessment, and then we refer them to Childline, okanye child welfare, okanye social development kwa statutory, whereby bazokwazi umnceda ke-social workers esebenza ngabantwana.
Okay.
Yes.
Uyazi ndithanda ntoni ne xa usithi even though ningadili ngabantwana, but you are able to assess and then refer. Does this mean omunye nomunye umuntu whatever problem anayo who says ndive pha eThetha FM uba kukho i-social workers apha, they can come and then you can assess and refer?
Yes,
Okay.
definitely. We are there. Sikhona yonke le mihla. Yes.
All right, we only have a couple of minutes left. Abantu bangayaphi uma ngabe befuna ama-services enu?
Okay, people can visit the offices zethu during working hours or contact the organization for assistance with number 80 065
065
866
866
84
84
08
08
okanye kwenye 80 067
067
64
64
38
38
614
614. Ungayiphinda futhi 065
065 866 84 08 okanye 067 64 664 38614. And then organization yethu, services zethu, they are confidential and aimed to helping individuals and families to find support and solutions.
ne-solutions.
Yes.
Ogogo bethu nabomkhulu bethu bona.
Nabo, they are more than welcome to come. Sisebenza ngabo kakhulu.
Okay. All right. Ngiyathemba ukuthi umlaleli lapho ekhaya usezwile. Maybe if you can remind umlaleli lapho ekhaya umkhumbuze i-services zenu.
Okay, Tina, siyenza counseling, individual counseling, and then some group supports that we do public organization yethu, and we do awareness campaigns and senza school interventions, and siyafuna nongena nasezikliniki because izinto ezininzi ezenzeka ebantwini. So we are open, our doors are always open. Please come through. Thank you.
All right. Sibonga kakhulu. Wena mlaleli lapho ekhaya besikhulumisana njalo no Amanda Bhati. Are you nikhona kuma socials?
Yes, we are on
Oh
Facebook.
yes, we almost forgot. Facebook.
TikTok, yes, and Google.
All right.
Yes.
Ningobani ke nina apho ku socials?
It's your East Kasile Community Programs and Projects. Just find us.
Okay.
Yes.
Sikhasile.
Yes.
All right. Ngiyathemba ukuthi umlaleli uzwile ekhaya. Amanda Bhati, who is a social worker at Sikhasile Community Projects laphayana eEverton. Ngiyathemba ukuthi na next week same time same place.
Yes. Thank you.
All right.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wena mlaleli lapho ekhaya, you more than welcome to send us your questions. Uma ngabe there's a specific topic ongathanda ukuthi sixoxisane ngayo no sis Amanda, and then sikwazi ukuthi simthumelele yona sizwe ukuthi ingabe bangalekelela kanjani. Sabonga kakhulu ngesikhathi sakho nawe lapho ekhaya. Thathe isikhathi ngikwamukele wena njengomlaleli womsakazo ohamba phambili, as it is a fabulous Tuesday. Kuphi na kuphi la umsakazo ohamba phambili ofinyelele khona namhlanje. Intokozo kwamalindi umimizana omnyamazana uyakwamukela ohlelweni The Mid Morning Avenue, the award winning Mid Morning Avenue. Namhlanje njengoba inyanga ephezulu isibeka laphana einsukwini ezishumi. Inkosi yami, uma ngabe uyakhula namhlanje wothi sithi kuwe happy birthday Beyonce. Sathemba ukuthi usuku lakho luzoba mnandi ngendlela eyisimanga, ikakhulukazi ngoba ukhethe njalo umsakazo ohamba phambili eThetha FM 100.6. Obheka ke isikhathi sakho uma ngabe kunala uthi uthanda ukuthi uvele ngakhona, singahambi sikushiye Nkosi yami. Sinemizuzu eyishumi nesikhombisa silathele njalo ihora lethu lesishaka lolunye. Siyazi ukuthi omunye nomunye wenu namhlanje uyavuka with big dreams, new dreams ocabanga ukuthi na kanjani kuzomela ukuthi zifezeke ngohlala nami ke sibone ukuthi nathi angeke sizame ukwenza usuku lwakho lube mnandi kanti lube ngconywana ukudlula ezinye izinsuku. Those who are celebrating love anniversaries, the birth of new children, we say welcome. Siyathemba ukuthi nani lapho ekhaya into zenu zizonihambela kahle nkosi yami. Lauren Hill with X Factor, and hopefully now you do have that X Factor kulolu suku lwethu lanamhlanje. But beyond all of that, I also played you music of Teddy Swims with Lose Control, and I know when you listen to the Mid-Morning Avenue, sometimes you do feel like you are losing control. Kodwa ke othi sihambe mina nawe ngena lapha enkundleni zethu wena mlaleli womsakazo lapho ekhaya ungene lapho uthi Thetha FM 100.6. Kodwa ke uyakwazi nokuthi uthumelele njalo umxhafazo wakho uthi 0630737540 uzokwazi ukuthi uhlangane nathi kulolu suku lethu lwanamhlanje. And I know ukuthi nani lapho ekhaya you waiting for music all the way, and I will certainly do that for you. Here's music of Elaine with Shine.